Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money with TranscribeMe. The first thing what I'm going to show you is how you can join TranscribeMe and what are some necessary things that you need to do. The second thing is that I'm going to talk about some advantages and disadvantages, so how it actually works, what I personally think about TranscribeMe and what you should definitely do, like what is my recommendation. So definitely watch this video, and then we will go further on how we can actually make money more. Now, when you come here to TranscribeMe jobs, you could get started here and you're going to register. As you can see, no need to look for work. It comes to you whenever and whenever. Work as much or little as you like. Short 2-4 minute clips, not long interviews. And you just come here, time zone, state, region, language, Skype, phone number, how did you hear about us? You just create a profile. Now, if you want to actually transcribe me and transcribe, you're gonna have application requirements, and it's really important is that you're gonna have two tests. If your grammar is good, and then also if you know how to transcribe. So that's another thing that you need to keep to note, that to actually have a good sound quality, good audio quality, that you can understand everything. And you need to have the skill set with a keyboard that you can write really fast. So that's something that I definitely recommend to have if you want to work with TranscribeMe. Now, that's really important. What are some advantages and disadvantages if you want to work with the TranscribeMe? The advantages is that, yes, as you know in the beginning, no need to look for work. It comes to you. Work as much as little as you like. You wake up at 8 a.m., you start working. Easy as that. In pajamas. Then also, you can 1 week work 60 hours, and the second week you wouldn't work at all. So that's another way how we can make money. And what is a really good way how we can make money is that you are the boss of your time. Then you can transcribe whatever you want, 2-4 minute clips. It depends of your expertise. Of course, you're gonna make much more money if you are in the legal stuff and you understand the legal stuff. You're gonna make a lot of money. But here are some disadvantages that I personally see. Is that, yes, you see that highest pay. But when you're gonna transcribe something which got 20 minutes, you gotta pay only for those 20 minutes of transcription. There is no payout for your research for the video, for understanding what they are saying, for researching those words. Let's say that it's harder to understand. You need to hear it from multiple videos to have it really correct, because they specialize, TranscribeMe, is that everything needs to be correct as hell. It needs to be top-notch quality. They really ask for it, and you need to deliver it. Even when the sound quality is not going to be the brightest, the best, you need to provide the best value as you can. So no room for the mistakes. Now, it's a good money to make, but you're gonna pay, let's say it's going to be 1 hour conversation between 2 people that I need to transcribe, and I'm going to work for it for 4 hours. I'm gonna get paid only for the 1 hour of the video. That's it, or the audio, and that's it. So this is something you definitely need to keep in mind, that it got some disadvantages. Also, it's kind of unstable, only because many times you won't be able to find jobs because there won't be any, and everyone else would just take it and they would be creating the transcription. My recommendation, don't only use transcribe, use ref, use Scribie, use Go Transcript. So that's what I would do, is ref.com. And then also, what was the another one? Scribie. Enjoy those two. And I would definitely use ref.com and Scribie, and also TranscribeMe and Go Transcript. I would be joining every single platform so I can diversify my income. That's the first thing. And also I can get more jobs, so you can make really good money. Now, there is a disadvantage also, that they use only PayPal. So if you want to use TranscribeMe, you're gonna have to have only PayPal, and they will just send you USD dollars. That's good only because it's going to switch to your local currency. But still, you need to keep in mind, when you're gonna have PayPal, they take fees and stuff like that. If you want to withdraw it to your account, you're gonna pay the conversion fee if you are not from the US. So that's something you should definitely keep in mind if you want to use TranscribeMe, and that's how I would personally do it, and how would I look at these things that, okay, I have only PayPal, and if you can access PayPal, you won't get paid. Now, that's a disadvantage, kind of, that there is like no space for the mistake, as I mentioned in the beginning, that you have to have like top-notch quality even when the payout is not that really high. But you can make up to like $100, let's say, a week if you could be working with TranscribeMe and also with the ref.com, Scribby, and you can make like good money. I really believe in that, thanks to it. So this is the actually way how you can make money if with TranscribeMe. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. The good thing is that the payouts are great, the reviews are great, and it's a good side income. And my recommendation, what you can definitely do if you want to, is actually create YouTube videos about TranscribeMe and others, how you can make money with it. And that's what I would definitely do, is that not only like create it, you can document your journey, how it's like to be a transcriptor, how to transcribe better, how to transcribe faster, 5 tips for people who wants to transcribe on sites and make money out of it. I would definitely create videos on these, and you can make AdSense revenue, and then you can also sell courses if you want to. That's another thing what you can do, because I've been doing it. And if you want to actually make money this way, not only that you would do it by yourself, but you can create content, YouTube videos for people who wants to start out with these sites and with the transcriptions. What you can do is to actually sell courses to them that, okay, if you want to learn how to make money more and you want to do it more effectively, I can teach you with a link down below in the description. Same as I'm teaching right now how you can make YouTube videos, and you can get free mini course. Watch those, is like few minutes, and like you can really be effective. So that's my recommendation what you can do, and that's what I would definitely do if you want to like work with ref.com, TranscribeMe. And if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm happy to help you, provide you some guidance on what you need to do. And it's a good way. But creating YouTube videos is a good way only because like I'm being on YouTube for a few years right now. I created over 4,000 videos and I make about like 10K a month. So that's like really good payout. And it's a passive income. So this is a huge disadvantage I personally see if you want to use TranscribeMe and sites like these, is that you have to actually focus on always working, always working. And the goal of having a business is not to work in business, but on business. That you're gonna actually create things that works for you long term, not only that you are employee of these companies. So that's something that I would do. That's something I would focus on. Sign for multiple sites, not only TranscribeMe, but go also with the ref.com and Scribby. And if you want to make money with TranscribeMe, you can also create YouTube videos, and that's something you can definitely do. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I hope you're going to have a great day. Have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.